Stock market highlights: Nifty's long green candle, not enough fodder for bulls. What traders should do on Tuesday. After a sharp sell-off in the previous week, Indian equities witnessed a strong recovery on Monday. The Nifty 50 index opened positive and gained strength throughout the session to close with gains of 208 points at 18,015 levels. Action was seen in broader market post its 3 consecutive weeks of decline. Both Nifty Midcap 100 and Smallcap 100 outperformed Nifty with gains of 2.7% per 3.8% respectively. Except pharma, all sectors ended in green. After a 4-day sell-off, the domestic market was refueled by bottom fishing and optimistic sentiment from global counterparts. PSBS led the rally, while mid and small-cap stocks outpaced the benchmark. Contrary to the trend, global concerns over the recession and COVID spread continue to remain high, which will sustain volatility in the market.